Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the Microsoft Store is missing from your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before anything else, simply search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and check if it actually exists or not. Because people are in this habit that it would stay on the taskbar, but that is not necessary. I can easily remove it from the taskbar and you can search it here and then find it. Okay, so just search for store and then you can open the Microsoft Store. But if you do not find it here and it does not exist on your system, then I have a PowerShell command for you. So copy this command. It's in the description section of the video. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and open PowerShell. Paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.